is John Duran. I'm going to do kind of look at what we look at. Duran Roofing, the number is 772-546-7595 in Martin County. Palm Beach County is 561-744-8000. I'm here at a house off of A1A and Jupiter/Juno, and I'm going to kind of show you a little bit about what we find when we do a roof inspection. This is not a typical roof inspection as I go up the ladder here, because usually you don't have shingles at the edge of a roof. They have a missing shingle there, and if I fall, remember me. Alright, here we are. This is the top of a flat deck. That's looking out west, and as you can see, they have a little bit of trees in the front yard. This is what we call a flat deck. This means that they use hot mop on this roof, and kind of get an idea of the roof size. In roofing, we measure everything in what we call squares, which a 10 by 10 section is a square. So this roof, for example, here's looking at the pool in the back. Nice comfy place. Watch the alligator. Anyway, this is probably 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably about 20 squares, about 2,000 square foot of roof. The problem is here is that when somebody put the shingle roof on, as you can see, instead of using the same product, they used roof cement, which only stands up for about 6 months in the direct sun. As you can see, they're missing some cap shingles there, which won't cause a leak immediately. But if you see this kind of thing, see this right here? Roof cement in South Florida, where I'm at, exposed to the sun, does not hold up. So you can see how that is cracking there. You kind of see a lot of cracks like that, which is what's causing the problem. Also, when water gets, either the humidity inside or when water gets under, in this case it's probably the humidity that gets up through the roof. When a roof is put on of this type, it doesn't allow air to get out, so any humidity that's trapped inside, when it gets in the sun, it tends to cause bubbles like this. See this right here? Now that looks like something that would leak, and it can eventually, but when I push on it, see that? It's just letting air out, so that one hasn't cracked through. Here's another spot that has that cracking I was telling you about. And so if you look across the roof, there's areas there, as well as small pockets here, here, and here, that won't leak immediately, but over here, a place like this where they're on the edge of this improperly installed drip edge over the existing shingle roof, this occurs. So you can see bubbles here, and what I'm going to propose is the material itself does not look bad. Code now requires you have a pitch on a flat deck, meaning a quarter inch per foot up or down towards the edge of the roof. This roof is flat, so the owner was telling me that when it rains, water puddles up here, which increases the chance of an area done improperly to leak. Somebody's put a rubber coat on it. There's good rubber coat, there's bad rubber coat, there's cheap rubber coat. You usually get what you pay for. So you can see how this section of the roof has it. And what I'm going to propose is, I get back here where I can show it better, is take basically where they have leaks, is see that piece right there that goes out past that square, from there all the way to here, because their leaks are all in this area. And I'm going to give a price on doing all of it plus doing this part. I'm assuming that has somehow fixed what was going on prior. Again, there's one of those spots. It would be wise to put a seal over all the edges of these, because this will eventually leak if it's not leaking slightly, as you can see there once again. Thank you for watching. This is my first GoPro on the roof, so we'll see. I want to show my clients things that they understandably can't see on a roof. And to give you an idea where we're at, that's looking west, and that's looking south. And if you can see over these palm trees and past this church, don't think you can, but if you see that condo right there, that condo is on the Pacific Ocean. So I'm probably maybe 200 yards or less from the Atlantic Ocean. Thank you for watching. Take care. Welcome to my first GoPro. Have a good day, guys.